What is up, guys? Welcome back to Diva Talks. We haven't been posting in a while, but today we are making this amazing Watergate salad. It is so delicious and so easy to make. So all you guys have to do is go ahead and stay tuned, and we're gonna kick this easy recipe off. Alright, so first thing you need is pistachio pudding. They come in the box real easy. You need to get walnuts, the plantain walnuts or any type of walnuts you guys can find. Some nice, yummy, cold Cool Whip. Next, you would need some crushed pineapples. This is the one in heavy syrup. You can get it in any type of syrup you want. You will also need to get some marshmallows. These are the smaller little mini marshmallows. And some cherries. These are so cheap at Dollar Tree or Dollar General. You get them hella cheap there. And what we're going to start off with is we're going to go ahead and cut our walnuts. So all I'm doing right now is pouring out at least half a bag and just chopping up these walnuts to kind of like small pieces, just like that. See? So you're going to take that and we're going to put that aside. Then we're going to grab our mixing bowl. And the first thing we're going to add is our crushed pineapples. We're just going to pour this. Do not pour out the juice. Go ahead and pour it in there with the juice in there. That's perfect. Now we're going to just open up our pistachio pudding mix and just throw it directly in there. You don't need to make the mix first and then do it. I did that mistake and I messed it up, so I have to go back. But all you do is pour the pistachio mix inside the crushed pineapples and keep mixing until everything is well incorporated. Next, we're going to add our Cool Whip. We're just going to open up this tub and then pour it directly, or not pour it, actually spoon it directly into our mixture. Now, the best way to mix this properly is to actually fold your ingredients over, which I will show you guys further on in the video. But it's very, very simple to do. Once you pour it out, just nice and neatly fold it right over. Don't really stir it too much because you still want the Watergate salad to have that fluffiness to it. Once everything is well mixed up, now we're going to go ahead and add our marshmallows. I add about half a bag, but you can add as much marshmallows or as little marshmallows as you want. This recipe is basically user's preference, or cook's preference. So whenever you guys feel like you had enough marshmallows, then that's pretty much it. Now we're going to go ahead and add our chopped walnuts. This you just pour right in there and just fold everything over. Just like that. Just make sure everything's nicely mixed in. It's gonna be super good. Alright, so now we're gonna take our cherries, and what I did with these cherries, guys, I opened it up before and I drained out all the juice because I didn't need extra juice inside my mixture, and I kind of just rinsed them off a little bit and then poured some of the cherries, at least half of that jar, into the mixture and mix everything in. And what you want to do also is keep a few cherries on the side because you're going to use that to actually garnish the top of your nice Watergate salad. Alright, so now we're just going to start plating everything, making it look nice and neat. Just get a really nice decorative bowl or anything you want. My mom loves these little white, decorated, I guess, serving dishes. So that's the one I use. I use this every single time. So all I'm doing is pouring the mixture right into that bowl. Real simple, real easy. And then now what I'm doing is kind of just flattening it out, smoothing out the tops, making sure it's nice and smooth on the top. And then we're gonna start garnishing. So with the garnish, you could do any design as you want. I just decided to get the little cherries, kind of make a little cross out of them, and then put the full walnuts in between each. And then I took a little bit of chopped walnuts and just sprinkled it directly on top. And that's pretty much it, guys. It's super easy to do. This takes maybe 5 minutes. It's so easy to do, guys. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please, please, please don't forget to go ahead and slam that subscribe button. And if you guys want to see more cooking things, please let me know down below. Until next time, bye guys.